Hello, today you're looking at a controlled power 500 amp 375 volt rectifier brought to you by Lanco. Unit is wired for 480 volt 3-phase. Has been tested, checked out here, is in good working condition. We'll turn it on in a second. Take a look at the inside here as well. Door on the other side is open. Overall dimensions 48 inches long by 44 inches wide by 52 inches high. It is an air-cooled unit. And the controls here are on the cabinet. It does have a built-in ramp control. To control the time on the ramp is right here on slope adjust. It also is filtered with a less than 1% filter. It's on right now and we'll power it up. Hit the start button and it'll slowly ramp up. Again, you can adjust that on your end. There that goes. Very quiet machine. If you're interested, please contact Lanco at 888-248-8500 or visit us online at www.lanco-corp.com. Have a great day.